If I'll tell you that in 2026 your personal brand will going to matter a lot, like even more than your resume, your degree, and even your business as well. See, now people don't want to buy any product in the market. What they really want to buy, what kind of personality that entrepreneur or the person who is holding that product is having. I'm having around 8,000 followers and I have built a 7-figure online business just through those 8,000 followers. Yes, most of my clientele is like from India, USA, UAE, but all of us have met over the social media only. And one thing I have realized, like this is what I used to think, I need to have a lot of followers, I need to have a good amount of views, like my reels needs to be viral, then only I'll be able to set up such kind of business. But that's the myth that I'm having just in my mind, but that's not the reality. If you have just bought a high ticket program in the past, just give a thought in your mind from whom you have purchased that offer. The person who is just dancing on a trending reel or something? Of course not. We have bought that program from a person who has already built a great business, have done that execution, having that kind of knowledge that we are looking for, right? And that's what I really want to tell you. Start working in building system rather than just playing on the trends. And when I have just stopped creating the content for views and started creating it for the value, that's the time when the potential client to whom I really wanted to work with have started showing up. So if you want to build a personal brand that actually makes you money, not just getting your followers, this is the exact strategy that I'll be sharing in this video. So let's dive into in details. First thing is define your brand identity. I have seen people like what they're doing, they're just directly jumping into the posting thing. They're not having the clarity to whom they want to target, in terms of their target audience, what problem they want to solve, right? What outcome they would be providing, like what transformation their audience would be getting while working with them. Nothing is clear. See, if your messaging is not clear when it comes to like whatsoever content you are posting over the social media, then let me tell you, आप कितनी भी amazing marketing team hire कर लो, कुछ fix नहीं होगा. If your foundation is not sorted, then everything would be like just waste of money and time. So one of the most important thing, have the brand clarity, have the clarity regarding the offer that you want to sell. If I'll give you an example, see, I'm a business coach for women. It's very vague. No one wants to work with me. But if I say I help female coaches in scaling their coaching business from 50k to 5 lakh rupees per month using ASA system, it's very clear, right? Tangible. Now you can understand with whom I'm working. You're getting that kind of clarity, right? So that is something needs to be clear when it comes to your offer, when it comes to your branding. Content that converts. Now what kind of content you should create so that you can get more conversion in terms of more money. So first thing is stop chasing virality. See, this is something that can give you views but not the money thing, right? So the 3 hacks that I follow, whenever you are creating content, your purpose needs to be more visibility, more credibility, so that you can get more conversion. These are the 3 pillars around which you should create your content. Number 1, value content. Teach people how to think rather than just copying. For example, if I'll tell you, okay, these are the 5 trending songs you have to use, you would be like, fine. But if I'll be like, I can teach you how you can extract the viral song. So कोई भी viral song market में आ रहा है, how you can get, okay, this is the viral song. So this is what people are looking for now. They're not looking for such kind of things. Now people want more information. So start giving more specific information in your content. Second thing, a lot of transformation, the client result, because trust is something that would going to bring you the sales. So the more testimonials, the more transformation you would be showing on your content, the more sales conversion would be there. Third thing, one of the most important thing that people are not doing, that is start sharing your own personal story. Who are you and how you are different from others? What's your belief, your journey, your lesson? This is something that would going to make you stand out in the market. Till now we have already built your offer, then what kind of content you have to create, done with that thing. Now what next? Now you can be just like, okay, let me just wait. I'm posting on a daily basis. Now people will reach out to me, will ask my offer, what I'm offering, then I'll be getting sales, I'll be making money. No, that doesn't work. Start making your business calculative, please. Now, what I'll be doing in place of you, now I'll add the ads part. So this is the marketing that I follow, organic plus ads. Okay, so whatsoever content has performed well organically on my profile, I'll just pick that kind of content, I'll just change the CTA or I'll add any lead magnet over there so that I can convert those audience into my paying clients. For example, 13 ChatGPT prompts to get viral. You would be finding this thing on my page, right? So what I have done, I have just run the ads on that particular video. There would be a lot of people who were asking me. They were, commenting prompt. Then I have set all the automation with the ManyChat. How you can do that thing? You would be finding that video in the description. How you can set up all the ManyChat automation and create the lead magnets in the description box. So you can check it out later on. Plus I have pinned it over here as well. So let's dive into this thing. So I have just picked this video, run the ads on that particular video. Now whosoever is commenting, they are my potential clients, right? जैसे ही वो मेनी चैट से मैंने सिस्टम ऑटोमेट किया है, दे आर एडिंग इनटू माय ईमेल लिस्ट एज वेल. सो दिस काइंड ऑफ सिस्टम आई एम फॉलोइंग फॉर माय बिजनेस एंड दैट्स कॉल्ड अ कैलकुलेटिव बिजनेस. नो मोर आई एम डिपेंडेंट ऑन दिस थिंग. ओके, कोई भी वीडियो वायरल होगी या फिर कोई पर्सन मेरे पास रीच आउट करेगा. नो, एवरी सिंगल मंथ आई नो how much I have to invest, what kind of ROI I'll be generating. Everything is very clear in my mind, right? So instead of people waiting for you and reaching out to you, you have already built a consistent system over here through which you are getting followers as well as leads and the people who trust on you. Right now you can nurture them through your email list, through WhatsApp automation, and this is how they can become your buying audience. Build a personal brand that feels human. So I understand this thing, algorithm is changing, but one thing never changed, that is trust. At the end, people wants to connect to a human. So whatsoever system you are setting, whatsoever automation you are doing in terms of your business, that's fine, but in few areas you have to be active. See, people don't want to talk to your marketing team, they want to connect with you. So few things you need to keep alive when it comes to your content, when it comes to your Instagram stories. Keep on sharing what's your personal journey, what's your perspective, what's your opinion, what's your belief. This is something that would going to form a strong personal brand of yours, and that is something is missing nowadays a lot in the market, because whenever people are hiring a team, they're just delegating. Oh, I don't have to do anything. You have to be a creator. If you are stepping into this world, that is the online world, you have to be a creator. You can't deny this thing. You have to accept this thing. So you can't be like कि इस picture से मैं कब out हो सकती हूँ? आप नहीं हो सकते out. You have to be in this picture. You can delegate few areas, but getting out of this whole thing, it's not possible. So please think again. If you're stepping into this world, that's the creator world, you have to be very confident when it comes to facing the camera, when it comes to telling your own story. You can't be like, okay, मैं अपनी story लोगों के साथ share नहीं कर सकती. No, you have to share those things. Now you got the clarity that you don't have to dance on a trending song to get more sales and followers into your business. You just have to build a system for the same. If you find this video valuable, then please don't forget to subscribe it and follow my channel. Stay tuned for such more content.